If you've ever had the pleasure of smelling a freshly baked Italian pizza, you know there's no going back. With its rolling hills, stunning coastlines, and breathtaking architecture, Italy is without a doubt one of the most charming countries in the world. We have never met anyone who hasn't found themselves falling madly in love with its rich history, culture, and delicious cuisine. Welcome back, luxury travelers. In this video, we have compiled Italy's top 5 most incredible Airbnbs. These properties are a true escape into the heart and soul of this beautiful country. Sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the best of Italian hospitality and design. Number 5. The La Leopoldina. Let's start our journey through Italy's top 5 most incredible Airbnbs with a luxurious villa in Tuscany. This stunning property is located in the rolling hills of the Tuscan countryside, surrounded by vineyards, olive groves, and picturesque villages. With 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, it's perfect for large families or groups of friends. The bedrooms are spacious and luxurious, each with unique character and charm. High ceilings, large windows, and plush beds ensure a comfortable and relaxing stay, while the bathrooms are modern and luxurious, with large showers, bathtubs, and plenty of towels. The bedrooms are also equipped with air conditioning and heating, ensuring a comfortable stay no matter what the weather is like outside. The villa is an actual work of art with a classic Tuscan design and elegant decor. The living areas are spacious and comfortable, with plenty of seating and beautiful views of the surrounding countryside. The dining area is perfect for enjoying a family meal or hosting a dinner party. Surrounded by a lush garden complete with a beautiful pool, hot tub, and BBQ area, it's the perfect place to soak up the sun and enjoy the peaceful Tuscan countryside. Tuscany is one of Italy's most renowned regions, famous for its stunning landscapes, charming medieval towns, and world-renowned cuisine. Near the La Leopoldina, you'll find several excellent dining options, such as the Osteria La Porta, which offers traditional Tuscan cuisine and breathtaking views. Here you'll be served some of the world's finest wine, freshly baked bread, and locally harvested olive oil. Apart from dining, Tuscany is also famous for its hot springs, such as the thermal baths in Bagno Vignoni or the Saturnia Hot Springs, where you can relax and rejuvenate in the natural, mineral-rich waters. Tuscany is also home to some of the world's most famous Renaissance artwork and architecture. We recommend a day trip to the nearby city Siena, which is brimming with antique masterpieces and rich history. La Leopoldina is a mesmerizing accommodation in a great setting, sure to provide unforgettable memories. However, if you're looking for something a little more bustling, the next Airbnb on our list is guaranteed to exceed its charm and elegance. Number 4. The Venice Canal Residence. Welcome to the romantic Venice Canal Residence, a magical retreat nestled in the heart of one of the world's most iconic cities. Venice is a city steeped in history, culture, and romance, and the Canal View Residence is the perfect place to experience it all. As you step into this beautifully furnished apartment, you'll be transported to a world of elegant Venetian style with rich textures, bold colors, and stunning canal views. The spacious living area is the perfect spot to unwind after a day of sightseeing, with comfortable seating and a charming canal-side ambiance. Sip a glass of wine as you watch the boats pass by and take in the breathtaking beauty of this unique and enchanting city. The bedroom is a peaceful retreat with a cozy queen-sized bed and plenty of natural light. You can also enjoy a stroll in the front yard as you enjoy the warm Italian breeze. When it's time to explore, you'll find that the Canal View Residence is ideally situated to take advantage of all that Venice has to offer. The Cadoro water bus stop is just 2 minutes away, making it easy to get around the city. Both the famous Rialto Bridge and the San Marco Square is just a quick walk. And when you're ready to venture out a bit further, there are countless sights and experiences to explore. From the stunning Doge's Palace and St. Mark's Basilica to the world-renowned Venice Biennale art exhibition. Despite its central location, the Venice Canal Residence is situated on a quiet street, away from the crowds and noise of the city. When it comes to local restaurants and entertainment, you'll find plenty of charming cafes, restaurants, and bars just steps away from the apartment, serving up delicious Italian cuisine and Venetian specialties. But the most magical experience of all is simply getting lost in Venice's labyrinthine streets and canals, exploring hidden corners, and stumbling upon unexpected treasures. The Venice Canal Residence is an oasis in an iconic city, but if you're looking for something more secluded and relaxed, the next on our list might be the perfect one for you. Number 3. The Puglian Trullo. Escape to the enchanting region of Puglia and experience the unique charm of a traditional Trullo. This stylish and cozy abode provides the perfect retreat for couples seeking a romantic getaway. This impressive building, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the local architectural heritage of the region. The interior of the Trullo features a comfortable double bed, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a private bathroom, while the outdoor area boasts a charming terrace where you can savor the local cuisine and enjoy the natural beauty of the surroundings. The picturesque location of this Trullo is ideal for exploring the many wonders of Puglia. The area is known for its olive groves, vineyards, and whitewashed towns with historic centers full of cultural treasures. Take a stroll through the winding streets and sample the local delicacies at one of the many family-owned restaurants. For an authentic experience, why not visit one of the many festivals that are held throughout the year, such as the Fiera del Levante or the Festival of St. Nicholas. After a day of exploration, return to your Trullo and unwind by the infinity pool terrace, where you can soak up the sun and marvel at the stunning views of the countryside. If you're feeling adventurous, we recommend exploring the surrounding countryside by hot air balloon. If you're planning on proposing to a special someone, this might be an ideal place. For those seeking a taste of the sea, the beaches of the Adriatic and Ionian coasts are just a short drive away. Spend the day swimming, sunbathing, or indulging in water sports such as surfing, paddleboarding, or kayaking. The Puglia region has so much to offer, and this Trullo is the perfect base to explore it all. It may only be outdone by the magic city of Florence, which is up next on our list. Number 2, the San Lorenzo-Duomo residence. If you're looking for a truly extraordinary experience during your visit to Italy, the San Lorenzo-Duomo residence is a great choice. This magnificent apartment is steeped in history, having once been the residence of Pope Clement VIII. The exquisite 18th century frescoes by Lorenzo del Moro are simply breathtaking, making you feel like you're staying in a museum. But do not let the historic atmosphere fool you. The apartment is well equipped with modern amenities, including air conditioning and a fully equipped kitchen. The view from the apartment is nothing short of spectacular, with exclusive views of the Medici chapels. Located in the heart of Florence, this apartment is the ideal base for exploring the city's many attractions, with most sites reachable in less than 10 minutes on foot. Visit the iconic Duomo, the Uffizi Gallery, and the Basilica di San Lorenzo, or take a stroll through the vibrant San Lorenzo market. For those looking for a unique dining experience, the area is home to some of the best restaurants in Italy, with local cuisine and international options to suit all tastes. We highly recommend a visit to the incredible Ristorante La Bottega del Buon Caffè, where you can enjoy Michelin-starred cuisine. The seasonal menus are designed to reflect Florence's unique gastronomic heritage and vibrant culinary culture. The San Lorenzo-Duomo residence is the perfect place to indulge in luxury and elegance, with all the modern amenities you could want. But the number 1 Airbnb on our list is sure to surpass all that's come before. Number 1, the Villa Il Sogno. Experience the ultimate in luxury at the Villa Il Sogno in Positano, a stunning residence that lives up to its name, meaning dream in Italian. Situated on the incredible picturesque Amalfi coast, this vacation rental boasts views of the Mediterranean that will take your breath away. The villa offers impeccable service, luxurious interior, and 5 spacious bedrooms that will make you feel like royalty. Inside, the villa's charming rooms are equally impressive, with high ceilings and large windows that provide plenty of natural light. The 2 living rooms are perfect for gathering with loved ones, while the elegant formal dining room is ideal for special occasions. There's even an exercise area and ping pong table for those who like to stay active. Indulge in the continental breakfast buffet and enjoy lunch and dinner prepared by the villa's talented staff. Lounge on the private waterfront deck and soak up the sun or take a refreshing swim in the crystal clear waters. Relax in the shade of the alfresco sitting area or cook up a delicious meal on the barbecue. Positano is known for its stunning scenery, picturesque streets, and breathtaking views. The villa's prime location is less than a 5-minute drive from the Bagni d'Arienzo Beach Club, Positano Beach, and Central Positano, making it easy to explore the area's restaurants, cafes, and entertainment options. Take a hike to one of the charming nearby villages on the Amalfi coast, or relax and enjoy a drink with friends and family at an oceanfront cafe. We can also highly recommend a day trip to the beautiful island of Capri, a UNESCO-listed paradise lined with small, charming towns precariously perched between mountains and the sapphire blue sea. So there you have it. These top 5 Airbnbs have been an absolute treat, and each one offers a unique and unforgettable experience. We hope that you enjoyed our list as much as we have. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. We would also love to hear what you would like to see next. Maybe the top Airbnbs in Bali. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more exciting videos. Maybe the destination of your dreams is up next. Ciao!